Hello guys and welcome back to Matt Tech channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. If you have received a message stating that your WhatsApp account is not allowed to use the service due to spam, or if your phone number has been banned on WhatsApp, it's essential to follow certain steps to address the issue. WhatsApp has strict policies spamming and misuse of the platform. So if you believe your account has been wrongfully banned, here is a guide to help you understand WhatsApp policies, familiarize yourself WhatsApp terms of service and community guidelines. Make sure your usage aligns with their policies to avoid any violence. Contact WhatsApp support, explain your issue and provide details about why you believe your account was wrongfully banned, and tap on next. Wait for the ban to expire. WhatsApp bans are often temporary. If you have encountered a ban, it might be lifted after a certain period. However, this depends on violation. Use an alternate number. If you have an alternate phone number, you can try using it to create a new WhatsApp account. Remember WhatsApp policies to avoid facing similar issue again. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp on your device. Before doing this, make sure to back up your chat history if you want to retain your message, and check for app updates. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.